Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to find it, open the camera app. Okay. And since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, which are right here. So the three dots icon in the right upper corner. And in this upper panel, which just rolled down, we've got the timer option. We've got three different ones. So the off option, which is a crossed out icon, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the timer, we have to tap on the option, for example this one, and as you can see it is also notified in the shutter button. So right now, after tapping on it, your device will count down from 10 and after, or 3 of course, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So basically this is how it works here. Of course, you can also turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.